You know, Hurricane Melissa is barreling toward Jamaica right now and less than 12 hours away from making landfall. It's Cat 4 storm packing winds up to 170 miles an hour. Here's a live look at the rain already coming down on the island. The outer bands will be lashing that island well before landfall. Millions are bracing for what could be the worst storm in Jamaica's history. We're already seeing that widespread rain with up to 40 inches expected to fall in some areas. Authorities are warning of landslides and life-threatening floods. Residents are grabbing what they can from local grocery stores, and with all the airports closed, a lot of tourists will be forced to ride out the storm. Go to our free streaming app for more information on Hurricane Melissa. You can find the latest track and live cameras in Jamaica on WFAA+.
And Pete is here to give us an update on the Cat 5 storm. You said calling it catastrophic.
Yes, I'm afraid the impacts will be catastrophic. I mean, winds right now, the winds are 175. They're gusting over 200 miles an hour. There's nothing to indicate that it's going to weaken before it makes landfall. It's about 140 miles off the coast right now. Landfall's around 5 o'clock in the morning. I mean, it's just...
It'll probably make landfall before the sun is even
out.
Oh,
yeah, it'll make landfall before sunrise. So. Yeah. I mean, I just feel it's just a horrible situation to be in for those folks there. Yeah. It really, really is. Where do you go?
Yeah, you're on an island.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. So let me show you this. Here we go. Outside right now, and you can see the eye. I mean, look at that eye. My goodness. So well defined. Right there. Category 5, 140 miles off the coast. Let me go back real fast and show you this. Yeah, look at the wind gusts, 215 miles an hour. Sustained winds of 175, and it's just crawling along, which is terrible, crawling along to the northwest of 3. And you ask, well, why is it a bad thing if it's moving so slowly? Well, number one, it's moving, once it makes landfall, if it doesn't speed up its forward speed, the slower it is, the longer it's going to take to get out of there, right? So right now, it's expected to move very slowly over the west side of the island of Jamaica. There's your landfall about 5 o'clock in the morning. Then it makes another landfall the following morning around middle of the night, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning here, this east side of the island of Cuba. Then it moves through the Bahamas when it finally starts to weaken. It stays off the coast of the United States, but a lot of rain, storm surge of 10 to 15 feet. You heard several feet of rain in the forecast as well, along with the storm surge, the flooding rains, even potential for tornadoes. Anytime these things make landfall, these tropical systems, they always spawn tornadoes.